With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, in this question it is given that the straight line in the figure depict the variation in the temperature delta as a function of the amount of heat supplied Q is different process involving the change of the state of the monoatomic and the diatomic ideal gases. The initial state PVT of the two gases are same. Clear? Match the process as described with the straight line in the graph as. So we can see in the figure, this is what delta and versus Q graph is given. Clear? Now we have a two columns, so we have to match this column. Clear? So we can see from here. So how we can solve this from here? So we can see from here, this is the two columns from here, columns first and column so we have to match first column and second column we have to match. Clear? So from this graph we can see that this is a delta versus Q graph is here. Clear? So from here, for heat generator we can write this del Q is equal to, as we know, Q is equal to M C into del T, this. Clear? Now from here we can write this del T is equal to what? Q divided by this MC we can write. Clear? Now this is the graph between this del T and Q. Clear? So we can write this del T is equal to 1 by MC into Q we can write. Clear? Now from here we can write Y is equal to MX. If we compare this, so from here we can see that this slope is equal to what? 1 by MC we can see from here. Clear? Now from here we can see slope is equal to 1 by MC. Clear? This is the slope we can see. Clear? Now from here it is clear that if the C is the greater, this slope is what? Less, we can see from here. Clear? Now it is given that, and we know that for isochoric and monoatomic gas, C is what? Less, we can say. So from here we can write for C is less. From here we can write this C is less for isochoric and monoatomic. Clear? Isochoric and monoatomic. For this C is less. Clear? And for this CV is equal to, we know that CV is equal to 2 by 3 and R. So C is less for this process. It means slope is maximum for this. Clear? So we can see in the column first, in the C part we can see isochoric process of the monoatomic gas means slope is maximum for this. Clear? Because C is less. So slope is maximum. It means we can see in the this graph we can see slope is maximum for 1. Clear? So we can match this C part with this 1 part we can see from here. Clear? Now next we have isobaric monoatomic gas and isochoric diatomic gas. Sorry, second is what? Isobaric diatomic gas. So isobaric diatomic gas, for isobaric and diatomic gas, this C is the maximum. So we can write for isobaric diatomic gas, for isobaric diatomic gas, this Cp is equal to what? We can write this Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R. So this is what? Maximum value. Clear? And for isobaric and monoatomic, for monoatomic, this Cp is equal to, we can see from here, this is the 5 by 2 R. And for isochoric monoatomic, isochoric diatomic we can write. Clear? Isochoric diatomic, this is. So we have discussed the monoatomic. So this is what? Isochoric diatomic. So for this C is equal to, we can write 5 by 2 into R this. Now from here we can see that the slope is, from here we can see slope is the minimum. So from here we can write this slope is what? Minimum. Slope is, in this case, this is what? Minimum. Clear? Slope is minimum, and in this case we can see that this is the in between this 2 by 3 R. This is what? In between 3 by 2 R. Actually this is what? 3 by 2 R, not 2 by 3 R. This is what? 3 by 2 R. Clear? So in this case we can see that in this case, for isobaric monoatomic and the isochoric diatomic, in this case we can see that this is the middle value, we can say in between minimum and maximum. Clear? So for this, first we can choose for isobaric diatomic. So isobaric diatomic, this slope is what? Minimum. So this can represented by this 3, we can say. Slope is what? Minimum. Here we can say this slope is what? Minimum. So this we can see from here isobaric diatomic. This represent this 3, we can say. Clear? In the graph we can see 3. Isobaric monoatomic. This is what? This value is what? Between, in between maximum and minimum. So it represent 2. Clear? This slope is what? Slope of this 2, we can see that between 1 and 3. So this represent 2. Now isochoric process and diatomic gases. This is the same as what? Isobaric monoatomic. So this also represent 2. Clear? So in this way we can match. Clear? And we can see for x-axis. So we can see from here x-axis means q-axis. This del T is equal to 0. This del T equal to 0 for x-axis. For x-axis. Clear? So del T is equal to 0. It means this implies that this is what? Isothermal process. Isothermal process we can write. Clear? And for y-axis we can write this q is equal to 0. Clear? So q equal to 0 for y-axis. Clear? So this is what? If this is equal to 0 for y-axis, if the del q is equal to 0, it means we can write this process is what? Adiabatic process we can write. Clear? So this is what? Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Clear? So we can write here adiabatic process. Clear? So in this way we can answer up this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.